Okay, sekarang dah pukul 4. Kita pergi tengok Tiger Show.
Perfectly done, Wani. Come on, Malaysians, put your hands together for Wani. So guys, just encouraging you, welcoming you guys a lot of Tambun. Wani raising the Malaysian. Yeah, the kids are very excited. Wonderful, wonderful. So guys, this over here is Stella, the only white raccoon you can find here in Tiger Valley, and she has a message to share with everyone here. So guys, the message here is save the tigers, conserve the rainforest, and fight against illegal wildlife trade. So everybody put your hands together once again for Stella. So right next up everybody, our focus is back here on the table. We have a ball and yes, there is a basket. So right now, Professor Rocky, our blue and gold core, is going for his first shot. Wonderfully done. So guys, yes, wonderfully done, Rocky. Everybody, put your hands together. So guys, Rocky here in Tiger Valley during his free time loves to challenge Mr. Fires in a few games of basketball. So guys, on the other hand, his partner Wani, she loves to play a different kind of game. She doesn't like basketball like Professor Rocky, but she loves to play magic tricks. So guys, Mr. Fires is shuffling the balls. We need one of those balls. There's a ball which is white and green in color. Alright, so Wani now will pick up one of those balls to show us where is the ball. There you have it guys, perfectly done by Wani. Right now everybody, Mr. Mice is distracting Wani over there with the sunflower seeds. One final time, perfectly done once again. Everybody put your hands together. So guys, right now, are you all ready for the Tigers? Wonderful, wonderful. So guys, before we proceed to the Siberian Tigers, we're going to play one last game over here. So our next game, yes, is known as a simple mathematics quiz. Guys, in order for us to start this quiz, we're going to need random numbers from the audience. Let's start off with, yes, you sir, in the orange shirt, yes. What's your, you don't have to come down, what's your favorite number?
7.
11.
7.
7. Okay, and yes, you miss, what's your favorite number? Number 3, can we go anything higher than 10? Higher than 10 is fine? Number 5. So guys, the equation here is 7 plus 5. You guys give us the numbers. Right now, I'm going to pass it over to Professor Rocky. So guys, as you can see, yes, Rocky is very, very confident to answer this equation as he's nodding his head and he's shouting out. So guys, right in the front over here, Mr. Hanan has arranged out the numbers in random orders just to confuse Professor Rocky. So looks like Rocky is ready. So right now, what's the first number Rocky's gonna pick? I'm not sure. But the first number Rocky has picked is, it's number 1. So guys, did he get it right? Is the answer here 21? Excuse me, sir. Yes, 12. There you have it, guys. Perfectly done by Professor Rocky. One in is a prize. Everybody, put your hands together for that. Thank you for entertaining us. So right now, everybody, are y'all ready for the Tigers? Only the 2 girls on the top over there. Huh? What about the dogs? Come on guys, are you all ready for the tigers? Wonderful, wonderful. So guys, yes, for those of you who just arrived, welcome, welcome. Take your seats. The amphitheater is very empty. Yes, Mr. Hannah? You're not ready to start the music. Alright, DJ, help me out here. You're not going to start the music? Mr. Hannah? Alright, thank you, DJ. Okay, Mr. Hannah, why did you request us to stop the music? You have a problem with Nelly. Oh my, what kind of problem? She's not following your instructions. Oh, that's it, Nelly. Okay, so Nelly, you do not love your trainer, you hate him? No, you love him. Oh, alright. And do you love me? Do you love the audience? Alright, alright. So Nelly, it's okay if you don't love me, but you love the audience. And I know you love your trainer. So if you love him, you have to listen to him. You're not gonna listen. Oh my, very, very stubborn. So guys, since Nelly has turned out to be very stubborn, should we solve the problem?
Yeah.
Yes, Abang is very excited eating popcorn.
Yes.
Okay, so to solve this problem, what we're going to do is one very simple thing. We're going to take this gun and we're going to shoot you, Nelly. Good idea? Not a good idea. Maybe we shoot the tiger. Not the tiger, maybe the DJ? Not the DJ. Maybe the host. So Nelly, you're very excited at shooting me. Oh my. Alright, Mr. Hanan, you know what you're going to do. I'm going to stand over here on this side. My. Mr. Hanan, you shot Nelly with a gun over there. She's upside down. But I'm confused. Yes, the kakak there got it right. Mr. Hanan, a dead bird is not supposed to move. But how come this bird is dead but still eating the kwachi? Last wish before her death. My. So come on, Mr. Hanan, get her up. Everybody put your hands together for Nelly and Mr. Hanan. So guys, that was all just part of an entertainment. Right here in Tambun, we love and we care for all our animals, so we cannot hurt them in any way. So guys, right now, my question to you is, what do tigers eat in the wild? Yes. Not sure? Meat, yes, that's correct. So usually tigers hunt for wild boars, deer, monkeys and many other kinds of meat, but right here in Tambun, we feed them a mixture of beef, mutton and finally chicken. So guys, right now, Tambun and Tiger Valley is proud to present to you the first part of the tiger feeding session. Everybody focus on the Lost World of Tambun logo sign. Beneath it hangs approximately 300 grams of chicken meat. So guys, right over this lovely exhibit here, we have 2 Siberian tigers. One male, right on the left hand side of the exhibit, and the female is right at the back of the 16-foot tree over there. So guys, our male Siberian tiger, his name is Jazz, weighing at 150 kilograms. He's about 15 years old this year. He's all the way from East Russia. And our female Siberian tiger, her name is Cindy, weighing at 118 kilograms. She's about 14 and a half years old this year. So guys, that over there is Jazz walking towards the tree. So guys, looks like Jazz over there is not ready to perform, to climb the tree, but it's okay. Right now, we're gonna call someone out here to help us start the second part of the tiger feeding session. So guys, help me welcome our Tiger Ranger of 2020, once again joining us here. Put your hands together for Mr. Hanan. So guys, not an ordinary bird trainer, he's also a Tiger Ranger, and right here in Los Angeles, he's known as an animal trainer. So guys, this is not the only feeding session for the tigers. This is just the first part of their feeding session. Warm-up throw. So guys, right here in Tiger Valley, our tigers consume about 2 times in a day. Right here in Tiger Valley, the tigers usually consume somewhere between 5 to 7 kilograms of meat in a day. The guys, Jazz was born and raised here since a little cub. And he had 13 other siblings, including him. So right now, everybody, in this few months, our tigers are in the mating season. Sometimes they may turn out to be a little playful, sometimes a little more aggressive. One more shot. Perfectly done. Almost close. 2 more pieces. All right. Let's proceed, Mr. Hanan. Guys, tigers can climb trees. They can also reach speeds right up to more than 60 kilometers per hour. So guys, Nelly is a female umbrella cockatoo, and there comes her personal trainer. Everybody, put your hands together for Mr. Hanan. Yes, abang-abang kakak tempuk lah sikit ya. Thank you very much. So guys, right now, Mr. Hanan, what are we gonna do? You are gonna challenge me here to call Nelly. Alright, I'm not good at this. I can try. Alright, you can help me out? Figure like this. Romantic face and a smile. Alright, let's try this out. Thank you, DJ. Suits the mood. Perfecto. Okay, Nelly, darling. Come over here. No, Mr. Hanan? More romantic. Alright, let's try this once again. Nelly, my darling, please fly to me. No? Well, Mr. Hanan? Okay, so guys, right now he's gonna do it for us. So let's see how does Mr. Hanan here call Nelly. Wow, simple as that. Mr. Hanan, what did you say to Nelly? Sayang, come here. Yes, there you have it, everybody. Put your hands together for Mr. Hanan and Nelly. So right now, everybody, Nelly's going to perform one more time. This time, she's going to fly through the hoop over here. So Nelly, what do you think about that? Like, perfect? Wonderful, Nelly has agreed. First attempt. Perfectly done, Nelly. So right now, everybody, we are going to upgrade the challenge. We're going to bring in 2 hoops over here. I'm going to hold 1 hoop, and yes, Mr. Parrot will be holding another hoop over on that side. So guys, this next part of the challenge is going to be a little more challenging for Nelly. So Nelly, what do you think about the height over that side? Perfect. Wonderful. So Nelly, what do you think about the height over on this side? Alright, so Nelly has agreed with both the heights of the hoop. First attempt for Nelly, 1 and 2. Perfectly done. So guys, right now we are done with Nelly. Everybody, here comes out our next talent. Look up over on this side of the white moving ropes.